Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, paano ba ma-monetize ang ating social media account? So, this is part of the trend ecosystem. Hindi lang to para sa trend community, kundi para sa lahat ng mga aspiring content creators, sa lahat ng mga naghahangad na ma-monetize yung kanilang mga accounts. So, I created multiple YouTube accounts, okay? And ang goal natin is to monetize this YouTube account using AI, okay? So, hindi lang to para dun sa mga sa mga content creators, para din to sa lahat ng mga gusto na magkaroon ng YouTube account. So, this is what we call the YouTube automation or faceless YouTube account. Okay? So, meron akong kinreate na actually pang 5 account ko na to, YouTube accounts. Okay? So, this is my original one. Of course, ito yung Baby Snow Crypto Princess. And this is already monetized. But I still have 4 more YouTube accounts na ginawa. Okay? Simula nung pumutok yung AI, no? Yung ating AI YouTube automation. So, this will be part of our Trend ecosystem, Trend Academy. Tuturo natin step by step from basic, no? Simula sa pag-create ng YouTube account hanggang sa ma-monetize na yung inyong mga account. So, abangan nyo. Okay? That's a part of our Trend Academy. Alright? So, eto, pakita ko yung isang account na kinreate ko 2 weeks ago. Ayan. So, ito yung BBQ Tiny Tunes. Alright? So, this is all about nursery rhymes and short stories. No? More on nursery rhymes ito, guys. And kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, 13 days ago lang, nagsimula na tayong mag-upload ng mga nursery rhymes and contents dito. So, this is faceless YouTube account. And this account has already gained 549 subscribers. So, ang maganda dito, guys, ayan, I started this channel less than 2 weeks ago and there's only 5 subscribers. And then, ginamit natin yung isa sa pinaka first na project ng Trend with Threads, which is, eto nga, yung ating social media booster. So, I paid, nasa less than $5 to have 500 subscribers. And guess what? Ayan, hindi siya bumababa. So, organic, no, yung ating subscribers. And guess what? Ayan din yung views niya. Merong mga views, diba? So, look at this. 13 days ago, there's 103 views, 64 views, 159, ayan, 124. So, ayan. And syempre, nag-upload tayo at least once a day. Okay? So, ang maganda dito, guys, I use mga AI lang to automate this YouTube channel. So, ituturo din natin yan dito sa channel na to. So, abangan nyo lang and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon para lagi kayong updated. Okay? Tuturo natin yan. So, eto nga, guys. I paid almost $5 to have 500 subscribers. And yung mga subscribers na yun, nanonood sila. Tingnan nyo, meron siyang mga views. Diba? And today, ang gagawin naman natin is yung views naman yung paparamihin natin. Kasi my goal here is to monetize this YouTube account. So, punta tayo sa YouTube Studio. Ayan, tingnan natin, no, kung malapit na ba siyang ma-monetize. So, in just 2 weeks, guys, no? Less than 2 weeks. Okay? So, you know, 545 in the last 28 days. Okay? And, ayan, naka-accumulate na siya ng 500 views so far. Alright, so walang to, guys, walang katulad nito na nag-narrate tayo, nagto-talk. So, upload lang using AI. Napakadali lang. Okay? And then, punta tayo sa monetization. Ayan, tingnan natin kung ano ba yung requirements. So, as here, ayan, nakalagay, eligibility. I already have 549, so accomplished na yan. And then, eto naman, yung 3 video uploads daw for the last 90 days. And more than 3 na yung ating na-upload. Okay? Ito yung public watch hour views na requirements. Alright? So, ito yung achievement ko pa lang so far. So, dito kailangan natin ng 1,000 subscribers. Ayan. And, eto, one of the following. So, 4,000 views. And, 10 million for the last 90 days. Okay? So, big help, guys, no? Big help yung ating Trend with Threads na social media booster. Kasi, yun nga, maraming mga aspiring content creators ngayon, yung iba nga nagpapakahirap ng follow to follow, 'di ba? So at least ito sa murang halaga lang, ay pwede na nating ma-monetize or mas mabilis na mag-grow yung ating YouTube channel. So, ito guys is a big help to kickstart, no? Para masimulan yung inyong mga channel. Okay? Ayan. So, actually, pwede namang organic lang, but yung iba kasi, sobrang bagal. So, nag-aano din tayo nagse-search din tayo guys, no? Sa mga katulad na channels na to. Ang dami nilang magagandang uploads, pero yung views nila, ayan, so, mga maliliit lang din yung views nila. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, nag-ano lang sila sa organic views. Okay? Hindi nila alam yung Trend with Threads na pwedeng ma-boost yung kanilang mga channel. Sabihin man natin nagbabayad tayo, paid siya, pero it's a big help kasi yun yung magki-kickstart ng account mo. Katulad nga nito, just $5 lang, naging $549. So, it means when I paid another $5, magiging 1,000 na siya. So, eligible na siya for monetization. Ang i-workout na lang natin is yung views. Okay? So, ngayon, magbabayad tayo ng for views na naman para dumami yung views nito. Pag nasimulan na kasi yung mga views na yan, tuloy-tuloy na yun, diba? So, hindi sayang yung mga uploads natin. And again, subscribe lang kayo dito sa channel kasi ituturo natin yung kung paano mag-start ng YouTube account and paano ma-monetize yung inyong mga channels. Okay? So, yan, maraming option guys. Napakadami, lalo ngayon napakadali na lang using AI. Kaya ituturo natin yan step by step. Alright? So, ngayon, pakita muna natin kung paano tayo mag-buy ng views. Okay? Para mas mabilis, mapabilis yung monetization natin. So, mag-sign in muna tayo dito sa Trend with Threads. Nandiyan na sa description yung link, papunta dito, just sign up, and then, yun, pwede na kayong mag-start, ng mag-buy ng booster. This account has $16 balance here, and dito tayo magbabuy ng views. Okay, tingnan natin yung my orders. So far, actually, this account, iba't ibang channels yung pinaggamitan natin. So, mayroong Telegram, ayan, Telegram members, Telegram Facebook page, followers, YouTube subscribers. Ito na nga yung dun sa isang account din to, no? So, ginagamit ko yung account na to dun to boost my other social media accounts. And then, ito yung pinaka-recent, less than $5 lang for 500 subscribers. So, ngayon, ang bibilhin natin is yung views naman. Okay? Para ma-boost yung ating YouTube views. Ayan, YouTube. I-type lang natin YouTube views. And, eto na siya guys. Okay? So, pipili lang tayo dito. Ito guys, 1,000 to 10K per day. Monetizable. 100% active human. Okay? $7.3 daw per 1,000. So, ang kukunin natin yung mas mababa ng konti. So, ito. Yung 500 to 1K views per day. Monetizable din siya. And 100% active human. Okay? So, it will take 3 days. Something like that. 3 days to gain 3,000. But let's see kung ano lang naman pang boost lang naman, pang start kumbaga. Okay? So, ano ba pipiliin natin? Ito organic, 1,000 to 10K per day, monetizable. So, siguro ang kunin natin, i-try natin tong organic. Okay? So, ano lang, 1,000 views lang. Yan. So, tingnan natin kung magkano. Let's see. So, $7.3. Ayan. Okay. Ito na lang yung kunin natin. Then, kunin natin yung YouTube link. Kunin natin yung gusto nating i-boost. So, I like to boost. So, ang purpose nito guys is to caught attention ng mga viewers, diba? So, pang simula lang. Ang kukunin ko guys, since ito, pwedeng maghakot ng views. And yan, para lang ma-discover nila yung channel. And that's it. That's the start. Diba? So, next time hindi na tayo magbabayad, yun na yung start. Okay? So, i-copy lang natin yung link nito. And then, balik tayo dito. Tapos, ipipaste lang natin dito yan. Ayan. And then, as long as meron na tayong balance, since I have $16 here, yan, create na natin yung order. Okay, so I will have 1,000 views for the next, how many days? 1,000, I think for 2 days. Okay, I will update you na lang guys. Kaya, stay in touch lang kayo dito sa channel. Alright, so that's it. Successfully ordered na siya. and mababawasan na ang ating balance. Alright, so I can use this one for another for another booster. Okay, so tingnan natin guys dito, no. Good news nga pala, pwede na tayo magbayad ng using cryptocurrency, other cryptocurrency. Kasi dati, by using trend lang. Okay, so ngayon inopen na natin kasi yung iba, wala pang trend token. Pero much better kung trend yung gagamitin nyo. Okay, so mas mura, mas makakamura kayo kung trend token. Dito sa Cryptomas, ayan, kunyari mag-aano kayo, mag-add balance kayo, i-select nyo lang to kasi this is the other cryptocurrency. Pwede kayong mag-pay ng USDT or what other cryptocurrencies. Okay? Ngayon, kung gusto nyo makatipid, gamitin nyo yung Trend with Threads na payment gateway. Okay? So, yun, 1 USD is equivalent to 500 trend token. Pwede din kayong mag-claim ng airdrop. Free lang yun, guys. No, every claim is 100 free trend token, and then you can accumulate trend token. So pwede nyo gamitin yung pangbayad to buy those social boosters. Okay, so yun, and then that's it guys. So I will update you once na magkaroon na ng progress dito sa ating channel. Okay, ayan, so actually this is not just my other faceless YouTube account, you know, I have 11 videos here, so I still have another YouTube channels na i-reveal natin soon. Okay? Ayan. Iba-iba siya ng, ng mga content. So, ito, nursery rhymes. And then, I also have music channel. Okay? And I also have another one, yung quiz channel. So, yeah, i-reveal natin yan soon. But all of these are related to our Trend Academy. Okay? Yung music channel natin, since ilo-launch natin soon yung music.play to earn. So, that's another part of the features ng ating trend ecosystem. Okay? So, stay put lang kayo guys and keep in touch and I'll keep you updated. So, that's all for now and I'll see you in the next one. Happy earnings! Bye-bye!